Hey everyone, I've been so excited to go out and plant the stairs up, but the rain has just been non-stop. So I have to just wait for it to be over and then I can have a look at the stairs and see what I need to plant around it or what I can plant. I just hope the stairs are still there after all this rain. Okay, so we've had the rain and you can see it has settled the sand around it. It looks okay, but I think the sides are gonna get washed away. I did plan on putting rocks on the side to just hold the soil there, but what I want to do is plant. So I went and cut some succulents. I did some shopping in my own garden. Now I wanted to use the Fred Ives because they are purple. Sorry, they're sort of a pinkish purple, and I wanted to use these chalk sticks. So I cut some from the back, but look how they're so fragile, they just break. So I was tossing up between using either this trident one. So the trident has got this 3-prong thing at the end, or the normal Senecio chalk sticks. So I wanted to actually do one of this sort of like that blue and the pink on each end of the stairs. So, just at the corners to get things settled in. And yeah, I want to alternate it on either side. And then I want to plant other stuff too, but like some ground cover in between, like in between here to fill in the space. So I might cut this little missy, put this ground cover all over and see how it does. That'll be good to at least hold the soil back and stabilize it. So let me try and do that quickly, because that's such an exciting part of it, is planting, and that's the whole point. I can't wait to plant things around the stairs and see how it looks. So this is the idea of just alternating one of the Fred Ives on each corner with the chalk stick. I don't know why I've got the patterning wrong. I think I need to set it out again. Okay, that's what it's looking like now. When it fills out, it'll look so much better. And after I put all the other plants in, it doesn't have the effect I thought it would, but maybe because of the sun. Alright, so that seems to have finished it off a bit. It looks a bit neater, much more neater. You still can't see the planting, but that's okay. It's just because of this light. Now look how cute that looks with the edging. I just picked up rocks from the yard and put it in there, and it's looking so cute. Although all the flowers or all the plants are not in yet, this is getting to what I had in mind. I don't know where the curve is. It doesn't look so so defined, but that's all right. Oh, from here you can see the chalk sticks. Looks much more blue, and I wanted that blue effect. Maybe I need to put more of the chalk sticks at the bottom there. Yeah, but whew, I'm liking it. It's looking good so far. And these rocks, I hope they hold the soil, but I need to plant more stuff around it. I felt the sand that I put to level the steps were just sort of sticking out, and just very distracting because the sand is so much lighter. So I came back and added a bit more soil around it just to cover up the sand, and so then the stairs are more visible, and I brought more of the chalk sticks because that seemed to be the color that was standing out, and you could notice it along the edge. So I brought more and placed them around there and planted up the entire stair edge with the chalk sticks. I couldn't stop admiring the stairs, and look how cute this looks early in the morning with the mist and everything. So I had to do a little bit of a photo shoot for my stairs through my maple trees with the mist shrouding it. It was so beautiful to look at. I was getting late for work, but I had to just catch a quick snapshot of that moment. And yeah, the stairs is coming along quite nicely. Okay, you can see a better view now that it's dull, and after the rain has washed everything, but it survived because we had rain and I planted and then rain again, so I couldn't come out and look at it. But you can see the color, and I'm so glad I planted the chalk sticks because that's what's standing out now. The blue is much more distinct. The Fred hives have also, they're getting more color than the day when I planted them, and that's why I wanted it, because I thought that pink will just be a pretty pop every alternate space. And once these chalk sticks grow in, it'll be like a river of blue. This one is looking a bit sad. It'll catch on, but succulents are pretty hardy. Yeah, like there's once things grow and full out, it'll look even better. Oh, let me go more far, show you. Looks good. Yes, that's a better view. That's a better view. And that's that. So I hope you enjoyed this planting. There's so much more exciting stuff to do. So as they grow, it's going to look so much cuter. Can't wait to do all the other stuff that I want to do. But I hope you enjoyed this little planting, and you guys have a lovely weekend. Bye.